The hands-on video of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra just leaks. Xiaomi 15 Ultra will be unveiled on February 26 in China. Xiaomi 15 Ultra come in black and white colors. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra will feature a 50-megapixel main sensor with a 23mm focal length and an f/1.6 aperture. A 200-megapixel periscope sensor. This telephoto sensor is tipped to offer 4.3x optical zoom, a 100mm focal length, and an f/2.6 aperture. The phone will also feature a 50MP Samsung ISOCELL JN5 sensor, a 50MP periscope lens with 2x zoom, a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra will have a 6.7-inch 2K LTPO micro quad curved display with 120Hz refresh rate. It will have an ultrasonic on-screen fingerprint sensor for security. It could be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Xiaomi 15 Ultra will be launching with a new self-developed chipset. It is expected to ship with up to 24GB of RAM. It is expected to run on HyperOS 2.0 based on Android 15. There is a possibility that it may feature a massive 6200 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.